What's good, y'all? King Times 2 here. We are on a solo mission on the bikes. When I say bikes, oh look, it's drizzling. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna really ride like that or not. But it's just more of a just in case kind of video. So, I mean, if we do end up vlogging, this is a start. Hey, we on the bikes today. We outside. I was kind of thinking about riding to this park. I don't know if I really want to do all that today. I kind of want to also explore this little neighborhood that I'm in. I'm familiar with the neighborhood, but I don't know if it's like bike friendly or whatever. So, I mean, I might discover some new paths or something like that. But I guess as of now, we are headed in the direction of the park. I'm supposed to be meeting B up there. We're supposed to be doing or playing pickleball. So, I mean, if we make it that far, great. If not, I also ain't too much tripping. Sitting here crossing the street, vlogging. Content creator style. It feels really nice out here. I got my long sleeve on today, but yeah, it's a really nice day. I mean, aside from it being all cloudy and overcast, man, it's like perfect. Nice little breeze. I think it's like maybe lower 70s. Yeah, I mean, we should be able to get a nice bike ride in. And as I'm getting into it, I'm like, I think, yeah, we probably is gonna vlog this. Might as well, right? So in my one video, I was talking about, you know, like riding downtown, but like, I was thinking about it like, man, there's so many other places to ride. Like, I mean, downtown is not the only place, you know what I mean? Like, it's so much other places that we could just be riding down and, you know what I mean, catching views from. Like, even in my area now, I'm like on the Upper West Side of Milwaukee. Like, there's some beautiful views. I mean, like, look at this trail we're on. Like, it's a really big golf park over this way behind me, but you know, I mean, like I said too, you know, I don't want to get stuck in a groove and just be doing the same thing over and over with this whole YouTube journey, because it's so much stuff that I can do, you know what I mean? There's so many places that I can take it. There's so many different areas that we can go to. Like, we cruising right now, look at this. But no, like, we cruising like for real. And there's so many places that we can go. I'm gonna have to take this hill going back up on the way back, unless I come from a different side, but I don't know. At this point, it don't even matter. We solo, we on a bike, finna just enjoy ourselves. Tell me why it just started raining on me. I mean, I did say that it was gonna rain. I knew that it looked like it was gonna rain. I mean, I did already get me a nice little sweat in, but I got my water. It's not good if you don't spill it on yourself. It looks like the little rain that we did have has stopped. So, about to hop back on and keep going. On a nice little hill. I don't think we're riding back. I'm gonna have to call an Uber, cause I ain't taking this hill back. I probably will. I ain't got nothing but time on my hand. Ah. good. Almost got smacked. Luckily I'm paying attention. When you're riding bikes, you definitely got to be careful. I mean, especially as you're moving fast like this, like we're hitting it. Like, you got to be careful of these driveways, especially the ones that's covered like that. Somebody come out there and smack you. Oh, look at this divot. I should be good. No. But yeah, just like that red car down there, the guy definitely wasn't paying attention, coming off the driveway really fast, and he almost hit me. And as of now, I don't think that I need protective equipment on. But I mean, realistically, it's like insurance, you know what I mean? If you have it and don't need it, it's better to need it than not have it. So still raining a little bit out here. How's it going? Just a tad bit. But hey, look, I don't know what's going on up here. I just know I better get out of here. Quickly. It's also a hill too, but I don't know. Makes for better content, I guess. We go up or down. I think we're gonna go down. So, y'all seen that little branch? I thought I was cool ducking under it. As soon as I ducked, the backpack caught it. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of hurt myself just here. But now I'm walking up this super steep hill. I definitely can make it up this hill. I've done it before, but the ride that I just took, So, leaving the park now. Me and B, we just caught a quick couple games of pickleball. I'm trying to make it home and make sure I got enough content for this video. Because my phone about to die. This mug is at 10%, so we just gotta keep it pushing. See how far we can make it. So typically when I'm riding, I like to, make sure that where I'm riding got sidewalks or at least bike lanes, because it's super sketchy. I'm basically in the middle of the street. I mean, I'm as far over as I could be, but like the sidewalk don't start to way up there. So I just be trying to hurry up and get there, you know what I mean, before I run into any traffic or anything like that. Cause it's super sketchy. But as you can see, we're almost there. Still no cars came behind us. Nice little hill too. It is a car back there. Hopefully no cars this way. Oh yeah, we good, we good, we good. Boom. See, that wasn't so bad. So earlier in the video, just for all those people was having that little meeting at or whatever they were doing. But it's a bridge. I took the bridge that way, and then I rode around the side of the park that way. So yeah, we're just coming around from the other side. Sometimes when I be over here, coming off that bridge right there, I usually just cut across the grass, which I think I might do because there's a lot of people up there, and I don't know, we're just trying to avoid people at all costs. So, yep, we is going off road, and that's the benefits of having a truck. Take this mug on all terrains. Well, I ain't gonna say all terrains, but I mean, you see, I traverse this whole little thing pretty much no problem. Boom. Just like that, we cut out a whole little section. And then over here, I do got a crosswalk, but sometimes I just cut across, and I think I got it right now. So we're gonna start cutting. Boom. Across the street, no cars coming. All right. I think we might make it back without my phone dying. I think we got 8% now, so. But the worst part about coming back is you gotta hit hills and stuff. And when you hit them hills, you just gotta keep going. Like, you really just gotta keep pushing. Keep pushing, cause look, I just hit another spot where it's another hill, unfortunately, but we still gotta go. Probably got like another mile left in this ride. 5% on the battery. It's all good. But surprisingly, I got back down here by Sam's Club super quick. And I still got 5% left. So I think I might make it. So yeah, finally made it home. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are still with me this far, thank you. And stay tuned because I got way more content on the way. Peace.